Hey! It's a Sunday. We're having a good time over here. Making a steak dinner. I don't want to bring you along. Devil beer. Love a devil beer. Oh, man. Happy trees. Check this out, folks. This is part of that 10-pound cut from before. I put it in the freezer. I defrosted it all day. And now we're ready to rock and roll. I got those two steaks plus these. I mean, come on. Excited. I got potatoes. I did a, so we're gonna steam these vegetables here. Mixed peppers and broccoli, and also beets. Already pre-cooked beets with raw peppers and a little bit of parsley. I'm gonna keep it raw. I love this. It's a fantastic balance. We're gonna add a little bit of cheese to it, obviously. Obviously, like everybody does that. Obviously. So I already cut up most of the potatoes, but I wanted to hammer out like real fast some potato cutting. You want to use the one that has this. Can you see this? It's very important that it has that little cut out there. So here we go. So you want to keep your fingers away. Keep your fingers away. So it's like, you don't want to keep your fingers out there like that, because then you're going to chop them off. So you keep your fingers away, and your knuckle guides the knife. But I'm not going to worry about that. And then you get to the end. So So that's how I handled it the whole time. I don't know why I made that noise, but I feel like it's appropriate. I'm using Archie Moore's. I want to have like a buffalo flavor. So I salted at every level. So you know, I salted it every time that I did a slice up, and then now I'm using that buffalo. I'm gonna throw this whole thing in the oven. Yes, can. For like an hour or 45 minutes, and the rest of the time, we get the grill heated up. It's gonna be an incredible dinner tonight. I'll do a photo picture of the a photo of the whole end. It's a great Sunday. Have a great night.